What if I told you AI may have begun before we ever built the first computer? I'm not saying that's true, I don't know, but think about it with me for a moment. AI somehow began before computers existed. Where was it? Maybe the answer begins somewhere much more ordinary, with a sandwich. Before you pick up the bread, some version of the sandwich already exists in your mind. It is not real yet, but the idea is. Now, make the object bigger. A building, a car, an airplane, a computer. Before any of these things existed in the physical world, someone had to imagine some version of them. And that gives me a question. When humans invent something, do we imagine only what we are capable of building at that moment? Or can imagination travel further than the technology available to us? Hold that question. Because one man left behind the drawings of an extraordinary machine, but not the thoughts behind them. I think about this whenever I see a large airplane passing overhead. Sometimes I stop and look at it. And I think, how did human beings make this? Forget for a moment that airplanes have become ordinary. Imagine seeing one for the first time. A machine weighing many tons is moving through the sky. Hundreds of people may be sitting inside it. A few hours later, they can be on the other side of the world. Human beings took materials from the earth. They transformed them, calculated, designed, tested, and rearranged matter until it could carry people above the clouds. But before that airplane was in the sky, it was on a drawing. And before it was on a drawing, some part of it existed inside a human mind. That part is much harder to find. We can see an apple falling from a tree. We cannot see gravity itself with our eyes. We see what it does. Human thought creates a similar problem. We can see a brain. We cannot look directly at a thought from 200 years ago. We only have what people left behind. Letters, books, drawings, calculations, machines. Those are evidence. But what about the thoughts they never wrote down? Questions they considered alone, ideas they abandoned, things they imagined but knew they could never build? Those are much harder to recover. Thoughts do not leave fossils, and that creates a gap between history and everything that may once have existed inside a human mind. Here is what we know. Here is what we don't know. And between those two things, there is a word I like, maybe.